everyone, I'm Emily Shannon and we're back to cook for you again today. We're going to make pecan pie bars. This is my daughter Nadia Shannon and my other daughter Saffron.
That she's sticking in them.
So are you ready to get started?
Are you ready to get started?
Let's get started.
Hey, I gotta say let's get started.